Rishika.
I'm Yashmit.
And I'm Isha. We are from Class 8, Excel Public School, Mysore.
We are presenting our app, which is about forming school clusters, thus enabling schools to collaborate with each other and share their resources.
According to NEP 2020, school complexes and clusters will significantly increase the effectiveness and efficiency of school governors. The only way to guarantee each student's successful learning is through effective instructions.
We conducted a series of interviews and discovered that many schools do not have sufficient number of teachers, and also found that different schools have different areas of strength.
Some of our friends boast having the best maths teacher, while we may boast of having the best science teacher. How can all students benefit from having lessons from the same best teachers, irrespective of what they study? We thought that we could create an app that will enable schools in a given cluster to get the benefit of listening to the best teachers within that cluster.
The app works by grouping schools within a 25 to 50 kilometer radius, all affiliated with the same education board, whether that's CBSE, ICSE, or the state board. The app includes a database of all the schools in the school cluster, including the contact details of the school head and expert teachers.
Each school head and expert teacher creates a login and account on the app. The school head identifies the area of strength and an area which the school requires help in. This information is fed into the app. Similarly, every school updates the information in the app, the best subject teacher and a subject that they are weak in.
Once registered, school heads can request expert teachers from other schools in the cluster to help with specific subjects and schedule classes. Expert teachers can also log in and set up their schedules, accept or reschedule classes, and share meeting links.
The dashboard of the school head displays the timetable of the scheduled class and the timetable of the expert teacher of the same school. The dashboard of the expert teacher displays the timetable of his or her class with the options to accept or reschedule. Our app can help schools benefit from each other and to some extent eliminate the need of expensive tuitions as students can get help from the best teachers of different schools.
With our app accessibility, teachers from neighboring schools can work together to enhance learning environments. I conducted surveys and assisted in making the video script.
I researched about school clusters in our area and created the research document.
I have developed the app.
Thank you.